Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Al Munir High School e-learning system, class 5. This is your science lecture. Today we are going to discuss our unit number 8, that is about sound. This is the title page of your amazing science book, Oxford syllabus for class 5. Topic is light. Light is a form of energy. Light can travel through empty spaces. The speed of light is 3 lakhs 300,000 kilometers per second, which is faster than the speed of sound. This is why during a thunderstorm lightning is seen before the clap of thunder is heard. Because light travels in straight lines, we cannot see around corners. Nature of light. Light is a form of energy. It travels very fast in the form of waves. When a material such as a copper wire becomes hot, its electrons soak up energy. When they are loaded with energy, they throw it off. The bundles of energy thrown off by the electrons are light. These bundles of energy are called photons. Anything that is hot enough, such as the filament in a bulb, the flame of a candle, or a burning piece of wood, gives off light. The sun gives off a tremendous amount of light. The temperature of the sun is millions of times hotter than a bulb or a candle flame. Its electrons keep on jumping and they keep pouring out bundles and bundles of light. Light travels in a straight lines. Here we have the experiment to show that. Take three equal sized pieces of card and make a pinhole in the center of each. Stand them in a straight line so that the pinholes are aligned. Place a candle in line with the card so that its flame can be seen through the pinholes. Now shift the middle card slightly and observe the flame. Can you see it? The pinhole camera. The pinhole camera was invented by a Muslim scientist called Al Haytham. It consists of a cardboard box with a pinhole on one side and a tracing paper screen on the opposite side. When rays of light from a distant object pass through the pinhole, a small inverted image of the object is formed on the screen. This proves that light travels in straight lines. Here we have the picture of pinhole camera. Sources of light. Anything that burns give out light. Some important sources of light are the sun, electric bulbs, lamps, candles, and glowing and burning objects. Forms of light. Ray, beam. Light travels in straight lines called rays. Many rays together make up a beam. When several rays run along side by side, they make a beam. Luminous and non-luminous bodies. Almost anything that can give out light. We can see things that give off their own light, like the sun, an electric lamp, or a candle. We can see other things because light bounces off them. They reflect the light which falls on them. Luminous and non-luminous. Laser. A laser is a very strong ray of light which is very narrow and has only one color. It gives out concentrated heat, so it is used by surgeons in operations to seal blood vessels and cut tissues accurately. Lasers are also used in compact disc players, CDs, and to read the barcodes of price tags on items in a supermarket. Transparent, translucent, and opaque materials. Materials that allow light to pass through them are called transparent. Air, water, and clear glass are transparent. Materials that allow only some light to pass through them are called translucent. Wax paper, tracing paper, and frosted glass are translucent. Materials such as cardboard, wood, and bricks are opaque. They do not allow any light to pass through them. In fact, they reflect the light that falls on them. Shadows. When an object is placed in the path of a beam of light, a dark patch resembling the shape of the object is formed on the side opposite the source of light. This dark patch is called a shadow. The formation of shadows proves that light travels in straight lines. Here we have the picture. If the light falling on the object is coming from a single point, the shadow formed by the object will be dark all over. This evenly dark shadow is called umbra. If the light is coming from a bigger source, the shadow of the object will not be evenly dark. The inner dark shadow or umbra will be surrounded by a lighter shadow called the penumbra. Phases of the moon. The moon revolves around the sun, earth once every 27.3 days. This is called a lunar month. When the side lit by the sun faces the earth, we see a full moon. Sometimes we see no moon at all. This is when the light moon is on the side of the earth nearest to the sun. This is called a new moon. Between these two positions we see only a part of the moon. These are called the phases of the moon. Here we have the picture of the phases of the moon. Eclipses, the earth goes around the sun and the moon goes round the earth. Sometimes the positions of the sun, the moon and the earth are such that a shadow is formed either on the moon or on the earth. Such a shadow is called the eclipse as shown in this picture. Solar eclipse, when the moon comes between the sun and earth, a shadow of the moon is seen on the sun. This is called solar eclipse. Lunar eclipse, when the earth comes between the moon and the sun, a shadow of the earth is seen on the moon. This is called lunar eclipse. Colors of light. Light is composed of 7 colors: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. When all the colors in sunlight are separated, they make a rainbow. The rainbow has a band of red on one edge and a band of violet on the other edge. In between are all the other colors. Ultraviolet rays are just beyond the violet edge of the rainbow. Infrared rays are just below the red edge of the rainbow. They are invisible, but you can feel their effect. Ultraviolet rays can give you sunburn. Infrared rays give off energy in the form of heat that keeps you warm. Light and plant life. Plants make their food from non-living things by a process called photosynthesis. The raw materials used are carbon dioxide from the air and water from the soil. These are combined to form sugars and starch. Oxygen is given off, which is needed by other living things for breathing. Photosynthesis uses energy from the sun. The green material in the leaves is called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll traps the sun's energy. It observes the red and blue parts of the spectrum of white light. Next, students, we have the solved exercise of lesson number 8. Answer to exercises. Answer the following questions. Part A, light is a kind of energy which travels in the forms of waves. Part B, sources of light are the sun, electric bulbs, lamps, candles and glowing as well as burning objects. Part C, take a 3 equal sized pieces of card and make a pinhole in the center of each. Stand them in a straight line so that the pinholes are aligned. Place a candle in line with the card so that its flame can be seen through the pinholes. Now shift the middle and card slightly and observe the flame. The flame will not be visible because light can only travel in straight line. Part D, see pages 76 and 77 of the book. Part E, see page 74 of the book. Mark it on your books. Part F, a shadow is formed when an object is placed in the path of light. A dark patch resembling the shape of the object is formed on the side opposite the source of light. Question number 2, fill in the blanks. A, ray. B, part B, laser. Part C, 7. Part D, umbra. Part E, solar. Part F, 300,000 kilometer per second. Question number 3, draw the lines to match the statements in list A and B. Part A is a form of energy. Part B is made of many rays. Part C is composed of 7 colors. Part D was invented by Al-Haytham. Question number 4, choose the correct answer. Part A, 300,000 kilometer per second. Part B, correct answer is faster than sound. Part C, small and inverted. Part D, laser. Part E, 7. Part F, Nuembra. all for today. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.